I told 3 AIs to write the same 2,000-word article. Crazy idea. But I needed proof. The first one gave me fluff. Beautiful sentences. Zero substance. The second one hallucinated 3 fake citations. The third one just stopped mid-paragraph. Dead end. I spent 4 hours every morning fixing AI output. That's time I hate. Time that kept me from actual decisions. Then I found something weird. A tool that doesn't just generate text. It reasons through the structure first. Like a real editor. I ran the same article again on CogCloud. 11 minutes. Not 4 hours. Every source checked. Every paragraph logically linked. No hallucinations. No fluff. Here's the part nobody talks about. I finished my morning coffee before my team even logged in. That changed how I work. Not faster, calmer. Try this yourself. Comment, test, and I'll show you the side-by-side.